In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add round edges in Affinity Photo. First, launch Affinity Photo and get your workspace ready. Open the image you want to round by going to File, Open, or simply drag the file into the app. You should see your photo as a layer in the Layers panel. Next, head to the left toolbar and choose the Rectangle tool. Press and hold on that icon to reveal the rounded rectangle option, then select it. With the rounded rectangle active, move over your canvas and click Drag to draw a shape on top of your photo. Aim to cover the area you want to keep. Don't worry about being perfect on the first try. Use the corner handles to resize the shape and adjust the roundness by dragging the small circular handle that controls the corner radius. If you want softer or tighter curves, that single handle does the job. You can also toggle the stroke on or off in the context toolbar if you don't want a border. Now, let's make the photo adopt those rounded corners. In the Layers panel, place the rounded rectangle above the image if it isn't already. Then drag the image layer directly into the rounded rectangle layer until it indents. This creates a clipping relationship where the shape acts like a container, and your photo instantly appears with perfectly rounded edges. Select the photo layer and use the Move tool to reposition or scale the image inside the shape without changing the corner radius. If the corners aren't quite right, reselect the rounded rectangle and adjust the radius handle at any time. That's it. You've rounded the edges cleanly and non-destructively. Your file stays editable so you can revisit the shape or the image at any time for adjustments.